Welcome to AskPsychSessions, where we ask some of the best teachers in psychology questions from you, our audience. If you would like to send in a question or an idea for a conversation, please visit bit.ly/AskPsychSessions. That's bit.ly/AskPsychSessions, all lowercase, no spaces. And here's our next question.
I'm here with Karen Naufel from Georgia Southern University. Hi, Karen.
Hi.
Thank you so much for taking time out of your lunch to do this. I really appreciate that.
Thank you.
So here's a question from one of our listeners. They ask, I would like to know how to keep students engaged during the lecture portion of the class. What thoughts might you share with that listener?
Well, there's a few ways that you can get students to be engaged during lectures. So one of the ways that I like to do is that in the middle of a lecture, I'll pause and then ask them a question about some of the content that we covered. So I may say, okay, let's pause. Tell me, how can we apply this to something you're interested in? Usually I also give them a few minutes to think about it, so they might be putting something down on paper. That gives the other students a chance who may not have formulated an idea to formulate an idea before being called on or for volunteering. The other thing that I like to do is in the middle of the lecture, if I'm going through a list of things like neurotransmitters or stages of development, I like to ask, what's your favorite stage and why, or what's your favorite neurotransmitter and why? And then they have to think about, well, why is that a neurotransmitter interesting? And it prompts them to go back through the notes. So those are just a couple of ideas to help keep students engaged during lecture. Throwing in a fun example every once in a while never hurts either.
Okay, well, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.